Hey y'all, iRick's Guy here, and several of y'all asked me how did I get the LED lights installed under my desk. And by the way, I've linked both the desk and the LED lights like I'm using. Expand this video's description and you can click the link there. But let me show you what I did. And these lights are super affordable. And if you have an A-word device, I'm not gonna say it because it may wake yours if you have it. But these are controllable by the A-word device and also the G-word device. So you can see it's a strip, and I can change the colors within the app. Likewise, I can go into my A-word app, and I can change the colors. But all I did is attach this a very high-quality adhesive. I mean, this light strip was super cheap. Again, expand this video's description. You can find it linked there. But I have no idea how this would ever come off. And the corners, where I made the corners, it came with these little white clips that have a very strong adhesive on the backside. And so I just clipped the corners so that the corners wouldn't fall down. And I mean, you could arrange this however you wanted to. Actually, these lights, when you click the link within this video's description, you'll find that they're marketed towards use on the back of a TV, but they work great for a desk, especially this desk. You know, if you were in the market for what's called a gaming desk, a lot of those have LED lights, but you'll probably find with the quote unquote gaming desk that they cost a lot more and there may not be as many size and design options. So for that reason, I created my own desk with LED lights on the cheap, and it's actually probably better. So I hope this video helped. Again, expand this video's description and click the link there. You can find these lights and then also the desk like I'm using. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain iRick's Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRick's Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do, to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.